Robinbirds, known for their vibrant orange-red breasts, are delightful songbirds found across North America, Europe, and Asia. They enchant us with their melodious trills and cheerful chirping. Migratory in nature, they symbolize the arrival of spring and bring joy with their graceful flights. Robins are nature's small, feathered treasures. Bluebirds, with their vibrant azure plumage, grace the skies with elegance. Their melodic songs echo through the meadows, spreading joy. These small, agile creatures symbolize happiness and peace. From their dainty nests, they bring a touch of enchantment to our world. Woodpeckers, with their unique adaptations, are masters of their craft. Their strong beaks, flexible tongues, and powerful neck muscles enable them to carve holes in trees with ease. These expert excavators also play a vital role in forest ecosystems by creating habitats for other wildlife. Blackbirds, with their glossy feathers, captivate the eye. Their melodious songs float through the air, filling the surroundings with enchantment. These intelligent avian creatures display agility as they forage for food on the ground, their bright eyes keenly observing their surroundings. Blackbirds, a true marvel of nature's artistry. The bullfinch, known for its vibrant plumage, is a small passerine bird found across Europe and Asia. With its bold red breast and black cap, it adds a splash of color to gardens and woodlands. Its sweet melodic song enchants listeners, making it a cherished sight and sound of nature. The blue tit, a small passerine bird, is known for its vibrant blue and yellow plumage. With its charming appearance and acrobatic nature, it flits through trees and gardens, delighting onlookers with its melodious song. These energetic birds are native to Europe and are a symbol of beauty and joy in nature. The goldfinch, a small songbird with vibrant plumage, enchants with its melodious trills and graceful flight. Its golden feathers shimmer in sunlight, a testament to its name. With a distinctive black and white pattern on its wings, the goldfinch adds a touch of brilliance to nature's tapestry, captivating hearts and minds alike.